There are three types of education: academic, professional, and financial. If you are educated with all these three types of education, watch no further. This video is not for you. But if you have gone to school and learned about academic and professional education and lacking financial education, then keep watching. This video is exactly for you. Hi, my name is Håkon Wilberg, and in today's video I am going to talk about the one missing education in today's school system. Education is more important now than it has ever been. The problem is that schools just focus on two types of education. One is academic education, which is important, such like reading, writing, mathematics. You need to have it. It's very basic. Then the second type of education is a professional type of education. If you want to be a lawyer, an accountant or teacher, then you need to go to school and get that certificate. But the one kind of education that is lacking severely is in the school system is the financial education. An important part of financial education is to know how to read a financial statement, which is an income statement and a balance sheet. Now, when you go to your banker always asks for your financial statement, not your report card, because your financial statement is your report card. Once you leave school, your financial statement will tell you whether or not you're smart with money or not smart with money, because that financial statement is the report card of your financial intelligence. People are saying that they were learning economics in school. Is economic financial education? Not really. It's not about investing. It's not about laws. It's not about taxes. Not about history. The school puts us in a culture of dependence. We depend on three things. We depend on our corporation to take care of us. We depend on government to take care of us. And the scariest thing is that we depend on institutions like 401k and stock market. School are training people to be employees, to work for the rich. Financial education is like learning another language. When you learn real estate, which is a different language than stocks, entrepreneurship, and commodities like oil or gold. If you learn English, you can do business with the whole world. When you learn to speak the language of money, it opens up a whole new world. Unfortunately, our school system doesn't teach the language of money. They teach the language of becoming a doctor or lawyer or an employee. Like and subscribe for more content like this, and let me hear your thoughts on the subject in the comments below. In the link below, I have an amazing system that does all the heavy work for you, so you can start learning financial education in a simple way. Go and check out this link below.